Welcome back everyone, another 2-minute Tuesday, and last time we did pretty well, 27 seconds over. I'm going to take that as a win. Today we're going to talk about flash and specifically the zoom function and what is it. So timer on the clock, let's go. So on your flash you've got numerous things. So the thing I'm talking about is this zoom function, and this particular flash goes from 24mm all the way up to 105. So what is the zoom function? What the zoom function is imagine the flash is in the front here. When I'm at 24, it moves all the way to the front, so the spectrum of light that comes out goes far and wide. When that flash unit moves back to there, it's got a narrow tunnel of light and it gives 105. So if we flash at, see if we can see this behind us, if we flash there, it's a narrow beam of light at 105. If we set that to 24 and we flash, it's a lot wider. I'm going to show you this separately and I'm going to put it onto some images on the screen just to show you the difference. It means that you can get a little bit more focused. Personally, I always leave it at 24, which is right at the front here, because I just want a nice wide spectrum of light. There are going to be times when you want to do differently. For instance, if I'm in a studio, I will use snoots and everything else to get a nice cone of light. I prefer on speedlights the dispersion of light from when it's at the 24mm nice and wide. It's a nicer, smoother gradient, but that might not always be suitable if you're doing still life or something. That is what the zoom function is on your flash. Go and experiment. You can be really creative with it. Wow, that was quick. I'm hoping that was under 2 minutes. I hope you've learnt something into that. If you did, like and subscribe. It'd be really great to see you on board, and look forward to seeing you on the next one.